Good morning, guys. Today is another day. So, mag-aano tayo ngayon, guys. Samahan niyo ako. I-prepare ko kasi ang ating feeding for today. Meron akong event for today. Mag-gift giving tayo. And feeding at the same time. Magbibigay tayo ng school bags and toys, ganyan, giveaways, tsaka magpapa-feeding tayo. Together with Cassandra Aesthetics. And yung snacks is si Papa Levs, yung in charge. So, ayan, let's go.
Close your eyes, get some rest. I'm by your side. Lay your head on my chest. I know you've had a really bad day. But I'm right here, it's gonna be okay. The world could fall down, it's gonna be okay.
At saka, mabait na anak ko. Sila yung lumapit dito, guys. As in, tinulungan si mama.
Calm your soul. Hold my hand.
Ayan, so ito na ang ating for, ano na yan siya, guys? For food, for snacks.
A gift giving! Kagmiara kita sa very special guest sa piling na kapon. Ginpadala sa Ginoo ang balik kay Jonah at duka po sa inyo. Si Jonah yung balik, ayun, mamaya lang Ginoo, manilip po ito yung mga gadto yan. Oh! One! Oh, pinakabuti? Two, four.
But I'm right here, it's gonna be okay. The world could fall down, it's gonna be okay.